So the externship was an opportunity to bring in high school students into Sherpa, and it was just really to give them a hands-on experience in an engineering environment. They're only here for a week, so we wanted them to get the experience of designing something, prototyping, and having it made, and seeing what the whole process is like and what engineers do on a day-to-day.
I actually heard about it from my engineering class at Roosevelt High School. We took a field trip here, and I think Tamara mentioned that they were going to be doing an externship this summer, and that she would talk to my engineering teacher, and so I was like, oh, that sounds cool. And so me and my friend decided, let's both apply, and then we got accepted.
They were tasked with designing a fixture for the horizontal bandsaw that we have in the machine shop.
This is the exit guide and this is the entry guide, and ideally something that can leverage the threaded hole over here and maybe position itself on this arm so that it's a much cleaner solution than we currently have here.
It definitely met my expectations. Everybody here is super nice. It was a fun program. I got to do a lot of stuff that I enjoyed. Yeah, it was just overall a great experience.
That's the biggest thing I've learned. I think, honestly, it's probably just the documentation thing, because I know me and my friend Connor have done a couple hobby projects in the past, and I think documentation has like always been our big thing that we never do. And it was just interesting just to learn about like the process of like how actual engineers like document it and present it.
My biggest challenge was probably waiting for parts to print. That was the waiting, because you're wondering, oh, is the design going to work? What's gonna fail? What's not going to work?
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's probably the most complicated aspect of this.
A little bit of interference here.
Yeah, it was a little bit too thick, and I didn't realize that, so I changed all the ones after to make this little slot thinner.
I was very surprised at how smart and fast they are at getting this design done. They're super intelligent, and they are going to be great engineers. They did a great job, and I was very, very impressed.
But yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're interested in engineering or 3D printing or like even just making your own stuff in general. Yeah.
Definitely apply. It was a blast.